Hey there. So it is Cinco de Mayo. It's May 5th. And, well, this is what I look like Saturday morning. Um, I'm in my little office. You can see my daughter's in the background. And I'm just going to document my journey, 55, moving forward, trying to do some good things, make a difference in my corner of the world. And not a big video person, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Inspired by Gary V that says just document, so that's what we're gonna do and see what happens. So we want to do some great things, help people, and the vehicle I have right now is Think Local, and we're setting up some organizational, some structural things, and we're gonna make it happen.